So now I'm clicking general ledger vision operation. Is it visible?
No, but it is very, very, very small. It's blur, I think.
I'm maintaining my full screen only. Since it is connected with VMware, maybe it is very small for you. But
Yeah,
if you
I think
zoom your, you can see this general ledger vision operation. That is nothing that you are responsible.
yes.
So inside your GL responsibility, you can see this personalization. Okay, the
Yeah.
major main one is journal preparation. So the right side, you can see journals, enter journals, post, encumbrance, launch journal wizard.
Okay.
Okay, is it
Yes.
visible?
Yeah, it's very
So
small one. Because I think it is you are
yeah, yeah,
connected through server, right? That's why.
yeah. This will be in small only. If you see the live screen, it will be better.
Yeah.
So I clicked enter journal. So it is opening now. So you can see the better view.
Yeah, I can see now. Little better than before.
Okay. So the Oracle application will open another page. Okay. So you can see the better version now. So the another page is open. It is a connected. It is connected through Java. Okay.
Yeah.
Close this. Close this. Okay. So this is your general ledger view. So these
Yes.
are the responsibilities you have in ledger. So what you can do is whatever your day-to-day activities that you can add in your top 10 list. So it will be easy for you to navigate each and every day to use your daily
Yes.
activities. So right
Yes.
side you can see that your favorite.
Yes.
So if you are a GL guy, you are uploading many journals day by day. You can open this launch journal wizard.
Mm.
Okay, it is like a macro. So select a single line journal. So it will be easy for you to understand. So I'm just selecting budget single.
Okay.
If you are having a multi-currency journal, then you have to select multiple. If you are having single currency journal, you can select single. That is the meaning.
Okay.
So select budget single, create document. Click create document. So the pop-up will open. You have to
Yes.
either save or open with the section where you saved. Okay, I'm clicking here, save it to disk, or you can click open it with the default application in Excel and click OK.
It will open in Excel.
Yeah, the macro Excel will open.
Yes.
So this is very sensitive. So you no need to change anything in this Excel.
Yes.
So there is a format will be here. Okay, based on your journal preparation module, there will be some format will be here. So you prepare your
Yes.
journal. Let me show this in our Oracle page. So it will be easy for you. So I'm clicked enter journal. Okay, it
Yes.
will ask you find journals. Okay,
Yeah.
let me
Yes.
click new journal. So here you can see new journal. Either you can
Yes.
create a new batch or new
Or
journal.
new journal.
I will show you
Yes.
how to create a batch inside the new journal. So I clicked the new journal.
Yeah.
So are you able to see the
Yeah.
journal screen?
Yes. Yeah.
Very good. So here I will put like my journal name is my journal GL. Let's think US. So USA my journal related to GL. So I will put Sohail because Sohail is creating. Or if you don't want, you can remove this and you can update this in your batch. So here you can update like payroll expenses. The main particular thing is when we are creating this batch, the date 15 to 2024, today's date.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will give you the idea of whoever seeing this journal. So this journal is belongs to US agency,
Yes. Yes.
example Amazon or Walmart, and it's a journal version related to GL. Either it may be a AP journal or AR journal. This particular journal belongs to GL, and
Yes.
then
Yes.
I gave the journal name as payroll
Yeah. Yeah.
and the particular date or period. So you can mention like March 2024, January 2024, or it will be very easy if you mention the date.
Yeah. Anything we can mention, right?
Okay. So here you have to give more description. Payroll for which period? So this is for January period. Payroll for January 2024. So this is the description I'm giving. So this ledger for vision operation. Say for example, if it is Amazon, it will be shows like Amazon ledger for USA country.
Yeah.
Amazon
The
ledger
legal
for
entities you are using Vision, right?
yes.
Yeah.
So it will be like Abu Dhabi or Dubai, Qatar,
Yes.
India, anything.
Anything. It can be anything.
Anything. The ledger will define you the country,
Yes.
legal entity. So this is a category. So here you have to select the particular category for payroll. So let me check for payroll. See, you have a predefined payroll category. If it is a accrual, you can put accrual and you can select accrual. If it is a payroll accrual, then you can give accrual. If it is a payroll, directly you can give payroll.
Payroll.
So this is what this category defines. So period is already opened for February period. So you
Yes.
can select February or you can select Jan. So Jan 24 is not yet opened in this book. So let's go with Jan 2023. This
Yes.
is for your reference. So whenever you are preparing a journal, be cautious on these things. Your journal name, your ledger, your category, journal category, and period. So
Period.
mostly we are working in last month only.
Mm.
So we are working for January period. No one will work for February period because the books is still open and
Open.
running. So we
Mm.
GL guys usually will do for 1 month prayer. So it will be January. So be cautious on this. And the effective date you can give either month and date or the particular transaction date. Hello.
Yeah, I got it.
So is it clear, Sohail? The
Yeah.
period, effective date.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the main thing that conversion. So now we are booking the journal using USD currency. Okay.
Yeah.
So this date is very important because this is a date going to define your exchange rate.
Yes.
Okay. So if you are booking the journal in US currency and your base currency also USD, then no need to worry about this. If you are doing a multi-currency transaction, then be particular with the transaction date and the currency exchange date because you know day to day the reuters rate is changing.
Yes.
So when you reevaluate your currency, it will affect your books. So be cautious on this. So you prepare it with the exact transaction date. So whenever you do a revaluation or retest date, if you want to see,
Yes.
the currency value will calculate based on this tab. So in Oracle, this is the conversion place.
Yes.
Okay. And if you select type as user, you can define your rate. You can define your rate manually. Instead of type, if you have any other types you want default, that if your particular company is having any particular types like routers or cells or some other categories, you can select it based on accordingly to your organization rule.
See, there
Okay, so
in Gulf, normally for dollar, it won't be any changes because the transaction will be in dollar or dirham or real.
exactly for
They
USD
will,
and Euro, we no changes much.
there is no changes because they take it base currency 3.675. We are taking since long time. This is the currency. There is no changes in that.
Okay, so maybe yearly once changes will happen. So knowing this will help you in future.
Sure, no problem.
So here you can see the reverse date, reverse period. So if you want to reverse this journal in next period, you can select the period. If you don't want to reverse this journal, then keep it blank.
Yes.
Okay, so these are all header options. Okay, so the journal type. So always select standard. There is no
Okay.
changes to this. Okay, so these are the field we need to edit. One is journal name. Second one is description. Third one your
Yes.
ledger. Maybe if you are having a primary and secondary ledger, it will change, or else the default your base ledger will be selected.
Yes.
So period you need to select, and category, which kind of journal it is, based on the journal the category, and
Yes.
effective date.
Yeah.
So let me create one journal for you.
Yes.
Put the line number 1
Okay.
and click this 3 dots.
Yeah.
Okay, account aligns. So here you have to give your accounts. So let's say if I have an expense for audit fee,
Yes.
or if it is a miscellaneous expenses that I don't know how to define it, is select miscellaneous.
Yeah.
Click OK and OK. So there is a predefined accounting chart
Account
of
name.
account.
Yes. Yes.
So 01 is your cost center and account nature code and everything. See, this is operation. 01 is your company number.
Yes.
If it is a main entity will be 01. If you have
How to
a
check? How to check this one? The one you are checking now.
01, see, so the vision is having multiple entities here.
Yeah.
So 01 is your operation entity. 02 is distribution. Like if
Yeah.
you have any warehouse, any branch office, so it will vary, right? Say for
Yes.
example, if your main entity in Dubai and other branches in Taiwan, Ukraine. So if you
Yes.
want to change transaction, then you select accordingly your company. Mostly it
Yes.
will be defaulted with your operations. So you have to select 01 or 00. Sometimes if you are booking entry for your what to say your uh, any other branches, any other warehouses, or any
Yes.
other business units, then you need to select other types.
Yes.
So department. So there are various departments is there. Sales,
Yes.
sales, east, sales, northwest, northeast, middle east. So if you taking US as example, south many countries are there, and in north many countries are there.
Yes.
The sales person will be vary, sales departments will vary, and as I said, the human resource department, sales department, operations, customer service, each department will have a different codes.
Yes.
So educational, sales, service contracts, marketing team. So based on your entry, that expenses belongs to which department, you
Dep-
can select. So like first 1 or 2 months, it will be difficult for you to check and select. So next month onwards,
yeah.
it will be easy for you with the department number, so you can type easily.
Yeah. That's initially first
So
time
if
it
you
will take
copy
some
paste this,
problem.
so if you copy paste this accounting, this place, you can copy paste this into your Excel. If you know
Yeah.
already, you can, use the same every month. No need to go inside. You just copy paste, and it will
Yeah.
select everything.
Yes.
Okay. So the miscellaneous account is 7740.
Yes.
So this is what this chart of account defines. So it may be any number in your
Yeah.
company.
And chart of
No need
account
to worry.
number will be differ. Yes.
Yeah, based on your company, the chart of account numbers will be vary. So say for example here the cash is 1110 and payroll cash account is 1120. Short-term investment, long-term investment. These are all basic. These are all available in all the companies. So all the receivables will be 1210. All the payables will be maybe in 13. Yeah, the standard payables in 13 series. 1330 standard VAT payables. Inventory prepaid expenses in 1340. So maintenance resources, work in progress, materials, computer and software that is related to your fixed asset, intangible asset, furniture belongs to asset, machinery and equipment belongs to asset. This and all belongs to your fixed asset.
Yes.
So as we saw one example entry for fixed asset yesterday. So accumulated depreciation will comes to 16 series, fixed assets and all in 15 series. Your intercompany receivables. So do you know this part that intercompany? You know intercompany reconciliation, intercompany.
Yeah, intercompany reconciliation. I know that.
So have any transactions in that will come receivables, company or distribution sales. So many companies have a separate department for intercompanies. So they have a lot of intercompany invoices to reconcile, book and pay.
Yeah, there is so many invoices or transactions go here and there in intercompany also.
Exactly.
Because we have
So
different
mostly
companies,
normally
different
they will.
sister. We have different sister companies.
Yeah. Do you know the concept called netting?
Netting.
So sometimes the intercompany transactions will be netting off between the agencies, between the intercompanies.
Netting I didn't try before. We
So
we do
like
only we do intercompany reconciliations.
mhm.
But if there is anything to be adjusted there, or we will transfer in the books of accounts only.
Okay. So like this is there will be thousands or more accounts will be there. Your balance sheet, asset account, liability account, and P&L account.
Yeah.
You want to see any particular accounts, Shoaib? In this
No,
account
this
section, we want anything
no this
particular?
particular account. See, particular accounts will more differ. We'll just try to give some 2-3 JV journal entries. Then I will try same thing with different data. I try to make this one legal entity today. I will try to make it. But
Okay, fine. Sub account is maybe for P&L. Say for example, in your company, if you have any other sub expenses, or as I said, if you have multiple employees, you can define with sub account.
yeah, sub accounts is there. Yes, the levels of see the P&L reports will come in different levels, right? The same thing you're saying, right?
Yes. In P&L, if you see under revenue, the revenue will come from sister concern or from warehouse or from operations or
Yeah.
wherever. To
Yes.
define the expenses, you know this is a revenue, and under that revenue account, sub account will choose
Which revenue is different?
which expenses it is. So here the description will explain you how it will be defined the employees. So think that
Yeah.
they are mentioned many here that belongs to USA. So think that that will be a resource name, employee name. It might be Narayanan or Suhail or Suresh
Yes.
or Kannan, Ganesh, Anwar, like that.
Yes.
Okay. So if you have 10,000 employees, it may be 10,000 numbers, 1 to 10,000. So they
Yes.
will remove and they will add. So they will never remove entirely. So they will just block that employee which is resigned, and they will add the new one,
Yes.
which is
But
continue from the
they
last
will
one.
keep it the data normally. They will keep it. They will add new ID only for the
Yeah,
newcomer.
they will always add new only. Yes, for the newcomer. That is what I'm saying. Yes. So this is for product.
Yeah.
this is for fixed asset. If you are having any, so I said furniture. In the furniture, there are a lot of items is there. In
Yes.
computer, there are a lot of accessories: keyboard, mouse, monitor.
Yes.
And if I say uh, I can detailedly give that as television or miscellaneous. If I am unable to define what asset it is, you can park it under me. So if any maintenance charge, that you can put it in under maintenance.
Sometimes we keep it in.
So this
Sometimes if we don't know
thing
the
more
expenses,
more
we'll
in
keep
deep.
it in. We'll keep it in suspense account. How we'll do in this EBS that one. Sometimes if the we don't know the this one
That
exact
suspense account,
transaction.
you can
Hello.
here you can find the suspense account.
Yeah.
See,
Okay.
okay, so if you doesn't know what expenses it is or what transaction it is, then you can select the suspense account and park it over there. Once you
Yeah.
are once you are clear with what transaction it is, then you can reclass it or you can move that balance to that particular account.
Okay. So if you are parking it in suspense account, we don't need to post it, right?
Yeah, you have to post it. See,
Okay.
you creating an entry and you have to post it. Then only it will have the impact in your books. Until
Okay.
otherwise, if you are not posting, it will not have any impact.
Okay.
It is like a draft. So if you create an entry in suspense account, post it, and you can review your balance, it will match. So after a period, maybe it will take 10 days or a month to analyze the transaction.
Yes.
Okay, some paid you some millions, like 1.5 million, but you doesn't
By
know what are the invoices. So
yeah,
next month,
by
once you
end
define the
of the month,
invoices,
by end of quarter or end of month, we have lot of entries in suspense.
so
Everyone
you
is
can
keeping
clear.
it. We have
Yes,
to clear before closing the books. We'll clear that first.
yes. So that time you can clear it from the suspense. So you can
Okay.
create a entry and knock off with suspense. So if your total
Okay.
suspense balance is 1.5 million, so put a credit
Yeah.
entry, move that debit balance into your particular expenses account.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Do you have any questions of it?
No. As of now, nothing.
So we need to select account, sub account, and product name or number. So whether this combination is acceptable by system or not, that you can check by clicking the combination icon. Just
Okay.
before I clicked the combination icon, that it's showing like it is okay, it is acceptable. Say for example,
Yeah.
you cannot choose asset with prepaid,
Yeah.
asset with some other account. So the combinations will be predefined by consultant. So it
Yeah.
should be accepted in the chart of account. So that's why you have to select the combination and then click OK. Still, until you post the entry, you can change anything. So no need to worry about
Yeah.
anything.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, just I updated 100 as a debit balance.
Yes.
Okay. And here the description, what I mentioned in the top, it will be the same.
Yes.
If you want to change for any transaction line, that still you can edit. I am putting this as a first line, and you
Yeah.
can enter a second line, third line, or this is an example. I'm putting just test one, test two. You can put anything here. That will help you to understand your transaction. As I
Yes.
said, if it is a suspense, it will be easy for you with some receipt reference or whatever the reference
Yeah.
you
Some
have.
narration kind of
Based on,
thing.
exactly. So based on that, you can easily reconcile your suspense lines.
Yes.
Parking it in suspense is easy, but clearing from suspense is very difficult and it is must end of the month.
Yeah.
So again, I'm clicking no department, operations 01 as maintained from suspense to bad debt. Here you can change the account. It may be a loans principal amount that doesn't know from where it is received, so suspends to loan receivables account. Sub account from where you collected the amount. Say for example, sales and marketing. And product. As of now, for this I will select no product. So here you have this combination icon. So if you click this, you can understand whether it is acceptable by system or it is denying that you have to change your operation accounting flexi fields.
Yes.
So I'm clicking combination and it is accepted, and you can click OK. So for loans principal, sales and marketing is not accepted. So let me change into 000. And let's click OK. It is accepted because for loans the sub account is not defined. So if you still want to define it, you have to change the chart of accounts accordingly. Then the combination will accept. So your credit amount should be. So let me put here yes. So save this entry. Okay. Still it is not posted. Okay.
Yes.
I just saved this entry. If you want, you can take a screenshot in your system. Okay. The same way, using this Excel, you can see, as I said, next time you copy this and paste it here and debit and credit. Think that this is your debit, credit. So one time you will update it manually. Okay. Think that this is your general template.
Yes.
And description. So one time you need to define these things. Your account combination, debit, credit, and description.
Yes.
Okay. So next time you use the same template to upload it. So this is need to be enabled.
We can do like if we can prepare all our can you give like 1 second? If we prepare our template, we'll add all our JVs in the Excel and upload at the end of the day in the system. We can do like that.
Yes, you can. That is a easy way.
Yeah.
So that is why this WebIDA is there. So WebIDA will help you to upload in one shot.
Yeah.
So once you enable your agro, it is easy.
I have another question. Again, different from this one what we are doing now, because I was speaking with my friend there. For can you suggest me for reporting with EBS, which is the best tool? Because this company they are asking me if I can suggest them one tool for which is good for reporting other than BI and FSG reporting. Third party tool.
I didn't get you.
No, for reporting this for reporting this one other than FSG and BI, we have any third party tool that will work like smoothly with EBS?
BS means you want to do a balance sheet reconciliation? Or?
Yeah, reconciliation, all reports, reporting.
You want to prepare a balance sheet reconciliation, or what is the reporting?
No.
What kind of report?
No, not this one. The company, okay, where I was speaking with one of my friend there, where I'm going to apply. They are asking me suggest them some of the, if any tool working with EBS smoothly, third party tool. That's what I'm asking you as suggestion or advice.
Okay, there is RU is there, Unified Reporting Tool.
RU.
unified reporting.
Unified reporting tool.
Yes.
They asked me to
HFM
do.
is there. That, okay. The two tool is there. Previously we used HFM.
Okay.
Okay. That is interconnected with Oracle. And another one, the now people are using OneStream. OneStream is RU,
One
unified
thing.
reporting. That is OneStream. These are the
Okay.
tools now most of companies are using to reporting their financial check.
So the application name is OneSwing.
Yes, RU OneStream. That is unified reporting OneStream.
Okay. Okay. We can continue now.
Okay. Did you take your screenshot this journal preparation?
Yeah, I am taking now. Okay.
Here, see the post icon is there. Okay. If you are good and if you are okay, you can post it here. Okay. If
No, I
the
cannot
same is
take
going to be
screenshot here. It is showing me blank. You take a screenshot and send me by file or kind of thing.
I have pasted for you. You can take it for your future reference.
Sure, no problem.
So as I said, if you are okay with posting this journal, we can post here. Or else we'll see another screen how it works. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can change the period. Still, if you want to change period, if you want to see the T accounts, click here and you can check your
T account.
T account. See, this is how
Yeah.
it works.
Yes.
So your debit account and credit account will show you how it is knocking off.
Yes.
So this is the enter journal screen. So review
Yes.
journal, copy your journal name in any Excel or somewhere in your notepad,
Yes.
hit here, and put some percentage or list and click on. So this is how your unposted journal. So still if you want to change anything, if you missed anything, your reviewer can check and post it.
Yes.
Your concurrent request ID is running the backend. So click OK,
Yes.
close the screen, go to view, request, find, see the journal is running.
Yes.
Keep refreshing it, so it will be completed. Okay, now the journal
Yeah.
is.
Completed. Yes.
So again you click review journal, enter the name and put file. See now the post icon is hidden.
Yeah.
So it is posted now. So the
Yes.
journal is recorded in your agency system. Another way is here you can check post journal. So directly you can check whatever the journals posted for the period.
All posted journals will show here.
Yes. So for our journal is already posted, so that is why it is not listed. If you have unposted journals, that will
It will
be
show.
shown here. Okay, so
Okay,
you can
unposted
see all.
journals will show.
Yeah, unposted journals you can see here, and if you want to remove anything, you can remove, or if you want to review and post, you can click
Yes.
one by one, review and post as it is, as you see in enter journals.
Yes.
Any questions, Sahil?
No, this is as of now it is fine, no issues.
So
Only
this is how
but this
it
one.
and post.
Yeah, what I will do some practice. I will try to. I want only the proper navigation, how to check and all these things. When I go and sit in the interview, they will not ask me for a lot of things. They'll ask me post journals, review journals, approvals, and all these things. They might ask, hopefully.
Exactly. So enter journal will help you to create the journal. Post
Yeah.
journal will help you to review and post. And
Yes.
launch chart will help you launch a Excel and upload if you have bulk Excel, bulk
Yes.
journals.
Well, maybe one day we'll try for some 4 or 5 journals to upload by through Excel only. FTB, I think so.
Web ADI. Here it
Yeah.
is Web ADI. Either Web ADI or more for apps will help you to upload journals.
Yeah.
So if you want account inquiry,
Yeah.
double click account inquiry,
Mm.
click actuals, and click the summary template if you are already having any templates. So
Mm-hmm.
total expenses for the month, or total asset value, or head account,
Suppose if
total
you
revenue. Yes.
okay. Suppose
So
if you want
based
to
on,
check the what is the balance of one particular account, if you want to check one particular account, for
yeah, you can
example,
check. Yes. If it you do you know if it is a revenue or expenses?
normally suppose for example we'll check customer balances, supplier balances.
If you see supplier, it will be your expenses, right? So let
Yes.
me check whether a detailed copy of liability. So here you have to select the account.
Mm-hmm.
Since there is no entry, it is not allowing me to see the.
And maybe this is vision, right? That's why there is no entries in that one.
I have to select the company, department, account. So as you asked, if you want to see payables,
Yeah.
see. Uh, Let me check for one from all account total receivable, all receivable transactions. Okay, so I am clicking my starting account is 1200 and 1210.
Yeah.
So all my receivable transaction I can see here.
Mm-hmm.
No sub accounts, and product also I click no product. So this is how we run the account inquiry.
Yes.
So since there is no transaction here, it is not showing us any balance. If you
Yeah.
have a transaction in this vision operation or whatever your company, that Excel will download in your backend. So you
Yeah.
go to your request, find, and if this is a report, then click view output,
Yes.
and you check the transactions. Copy
Okay.
paste into Excel, and you can analyze it accordingly.
Okay.
So one more thing. So this is how we need to run the reports in Oracle. So always go to view,
Yes.
request, submit a request,
Yes.
single request, name. So these are on your report names. Okay,
Yes.
if you want to analyze your accounts, or if you want to see the budget you are allocated for
Yes.
that account, if you want to download chart of accounts for the company, you
Yeah.
click this. The templates will vary. See, chart of accounts only it's going to throw, but based on account or based on customer detail, based on inactive account, like
Yeah.
that, the chart of accounts are there. Select that and click OK. Mission operation. If you have any special template, you can select or click OK.
Mm.
Okay. So language
Yes.
setting is default. Submit.
Yeah.
Request is submitted. Submit another request is not required. So I click no. So now see before we submitted using submit a new request. Now you click find
Yeah.
and see the report is
Yeah.
running in the backend.
Okay.
So refresh the data. Once it is done, you can open the report and you can see the data. So always from the Oracle, if you are downloading any report, choose to save it in C drive.
Save it in
C drive.
C drive.
C drive, your local drive.
Okay. Okay.
Because if you are saving in desktop or somewhere, it will not show you again. So that's why I'm saying always save it in C drive.
C drive. Okay.
So this is how the report running will work. So you have to click view request and see what are the reports available for you and you can run.
Okay.
There is separate reporting tools are there based on companies based on the requirement.
Yeah.
Mostly for Oracle you can run using this view request.
Okay.
So for some particular reports you need to go to the particular responsibility. If you want AR report, you have to go to AR responsibility. If you are going to
Yeah.
take AP report, go to AP responsibility.
Yeah.
Like
This FSG reporting is there, right?
yes,
Financial statement generator.
yes, yeah. So if you want to see uh, anything else, if you want to see in particular, or
No, this is just a, what I will do. I will do some practice today on this one,
okay,
and I will try to put some generals and all these things, because most important thing I want navigations. Rest, if we get the data, if we get the document, we can do accordingly while working lively. Okay. This is only for the interview purpose only what I'm learning.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And
So
what
when
else? Yeah.
you open your application and do the navigation,
Yes.
check your end. Definitely, you can call me anytime. You begin in Skype and we'll have a call.
Yeah.
Uh, if you want to see anything again, we'll definitely help you.
Sure. No issues. No issues. And what, anything left for in this today's session?
We covered how to prepare journal, how to post, how to use launch journal wizard.
Yes.
Okay, if you how to download the reports, account inquiry, how to analyze it. There is more detail into this end user level. If you want to analyze any suspense account and account receivables, you can
Yeah.
use this account inquiry to download the report and you can analyze
Review
it.
it.
See, for very freshers, it is required. So since you are already experienced in this, so I didn't think that that much account inquiry details is not required for you. So once your report is
Okay.
downloaded, you can analyze it easily. So where the
Yes.
issue is there, you can pitch in from there.
Yes.
And yeah, that's it. And the final one is period open and close.
Yeah.
So let me check 2023. So click the open period and select the period 2023 or 2024, whatever you want. Click find. So this is how it looks. Okay, so the period close, open, close, future period. Okay, so
Okay.
once your reconciliation and everything is done, you close the January period and then you open the February period.
February period. Yes.
everything is completed by February, you close February and open next period.
Yes.
So this is the reviewer responsibility over handling the general ledger, over your
Yeah.
financial controller or over your CFO. Depends on the hierarchy, it will vary. So once all the transactions are done, once it is reconciled, you can go for period close the existing period and open the new period. This is how
Yes.
always recommended. Some people will open two books. That is not recommendable. So always close the
No.
previous period, open the new one.
No, see, sometimes this not matter. This one willingly people keep it open, but there is some issues will be there in January period. But we cannot delay for February period. We are doing this one
But
before.
that's what some companies will open both the period.
Hmm.
But we are clear if you are good in books that you can keep your books clean and
Yeah.
close it existing period and will open. That is always suggested. If
Yes.
your books is having some difference that if you still needs to work, then you can keep it booked.
Yeah. So, but better if we close and open new period. Yeah. That's the policy.
Exactly. That is the policy. This is the main one. That period closure.
Yeah.
So this is how the ledger and main ledger will work. So open your period and then post the entry. Once your all the transactions are completed, analyze it, document it, prepare your statement, open
Yes.
your trial balance. As I said, view request, open the trial balance, review all the balances. If all looks final, good. Get the financial controller approval or your CFO approval,
Yes.
then go for period close.
Yes.
So this is how the theoretical and the practical GL cycle will works,
Yes.
both Excel and Oracle.
Yeah. But for us, we'll see tomorrow this template. We'll put some 4 5 journals and upload one Excel file.
Sure, sure. If you have the journal wizard open and enable the macro, prepare it readily and then we'll try.
Okay, no problem. I will try to do that at home.
Just put 2 or 3 journals with some test numbers and we will
Yeah.
upload it.
Okay, fine. No issues.
So anything particular, anything you want to recall or any other topics you need in
Yes,
GL?
no, no. This my application is fresh. Okay.
Okay.
When I was entering operations plus welcome, it is giving me so many things that is only getting me confused.
Okay.
So we
So
wait to reach
to
this point.
show you
I
how it
have had
works, right? Show you. I will show you. I will show you. Don't worry. So this is how it will looks. Okay.
yes.
So you check for general ledger. Okay. If you are working in other department, if you want to see other things,
Okay.
1 minute. Where should we call it? Okay, I will take it. So you always see personalize your activities.
Okay.
ARAPGL or if you want to project or anything. Personalize. Click the personalize
Okay.
and select what you want responsibilities and add it in your personalized view.
Okay.
So, for example, here I select business area. Since using the test environment, it is not accepting all here.
But I will try. I will try to do it today. But the
Yeah,
one,
you
this
one
one, the
thing
slide
you just put
yesterday slide share. Share me this one, the slide share. So the link I can go because that is very particular. It is given for proper screenshots there.
okay.
Yeah.
I will share it in the chat. You can take it from there. You work
Yeah.
it out. If you have any questions, you call me back.
Yeah.
Tomorrow
Sure. No.
we'll see the.
Tomorrow I will just update you in the chat. if there is anything to be reviewed.
Sure, so you try from your side. If you need any help, just let me know tomorrow. We'll see.
Sure, no issues, no issues. Just share me that the slide share and the other things which we discussed. Okay.
Sure. I will share it now.
Okay, fine, no problem. We can conclude today. By tomorrow, we will go for some more time after some. When I move my hand freely in the application, then we can go faster.
Yes. You have to try a couple of journals, so it will be easy
Yes,
for you. If
yes.
you need any help tomorrow, the final result.
Sure, no problem, no issues. Okay, Mr.
All the best, Sohail. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Take a notes if you have any queries in yesterday's and today's session. We'll see
Yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah. Yeah, okay, fine, no issues.
Hmm? Take a note.
Okay, fine.
And
Thank
see
you.
the video recording as well. Save this recording so it will
Yeah,
help you in future.
sure, no problem. I'm doing that.
Okay, Sohail. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Good night.
Good night.